Watch your step.
Nemo!
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
Nemo's running on the sea!
Oh, don't worry. Eyes on the board along the way.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help!
Stop playing games.
I love games! Where? I'm thinking of something. Balance this. Looks like
Oh, jellyfish.
right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something. Please.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games.
Games? I love games! Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like Hey, Snoopy Jaws! Can't catch me!
Swim away.
Peekaboo, watch out! Ah! Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, two last for you.
Stop moving around.
Fish are friends for food. I wonder if the clownfish taste Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite. Clownfish, where are
Welcome to the EAC, dude.
This is awesome! Grab a shell, Nemo! It's the AC!
Tell about her, kid.
Hey, get a wagon
Hi, you precious offspring. Awesome. That's just a bit more.
Righteous Nemo, give me some fins! Noggin, dude!
Okay, little dudes. Get ready to ride.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
I found Nemo!
It's
Where'd you go? Let's go!
So much to discover.
I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming down the sea.
awesome.
In the big blue world,
Righteous, righteous.
here with all our friends. It's the big blue world. It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there?
Super mega step.
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place. Make sure we try that
that flash off, my friends. Thank you. It will scare a lot of fish. Step out and swim to the handrail, please.
Don't be shy, explorers. It's time to come out.
Please step out of the shell and swim to the right-hand side. Swiftly exit your shell. Once the door automatically opens, and swim to the right-hand side.